Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by grounding yourself and removing the case from any charging cable. Using a tri-point driver, carefully remove the hinge screws. This gives access to the joint and internal seam. Once done, use a thin spudger to pry the plastic clips. Apply steady pressure to avoid cracking. Make sure to lift slowly so you don't stress the ribbon cables. You're opening for access to the inside components. This initial access prevents damage later and reveals the parts you'll repair. You now inspect the tiny battery tabs and ribbon cables under magnification. Poor solder joints show corrosion or breaks. Once you identify the fault, desolder the damaged SMD or lift the broken ribbon with controlled heat. Use low temp settings to protect plastic. Then, position the replacement part and solder with a fine tip. Make sure joints are shiny and continuous. After that, test speakers and sensors with a quick continuity and functional check before reassembly. So you reassemble by aligning internal ribbons and snapping clips back in place. Avoid forcing parts, they should seat smoothly. Then replace screws with light torque to preserve the plastic threads. Once closed, charge and pair with a device. Play audio at varied volumes to verify drivers and sensors. If something fails, make sure to check contact pads for debris and reflow any dull solder joints. This often fixes intermittent faults. If problems continue, note the symptom precisely before repeating targeted repair steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.